Lying in the Andes is the Uspallata Pass. In the Andes, this is one of the most important passes, also called the Bermejo Pass or the Cumbre Pass, which provides a route between the Chilean city Los Andes and Santiago, between the Chilean capital, situated in the southern Chilean valley. The pass has been used since colonial times as the most direct link between the Pacific seaport of Valparaiso and the Atlantic port of Buenos Aires, avoiding the 11-day 5,630 km journey by sea via Cape Horn. Today, the Uspallata Pass provides a major transportation link between Chile and Argentina.